Okay, I'm back working on this thing. So going to change directions because one of these heads is cracked. I don't know if you can see it because these GoPros aren't really good at focusing, but it's right there. And it goes all the way down into the spark plug. And I broke two here. So this was not cracked, but I'm gonna spend about $300 to fix this because you really need to put the hardened seats in these, because if not, something will happen. I don't know. I'm not a machine shop person. So to me, these are boat anchors. So I did order on look online, and I can get two brand new heads with the new and improved what they call the new and improved casting. Basically, they take that casting and thicken it up and strengthen it up to the parts that break easily or crack easily. I don't know what they do. I just know they're better, supposedly. I get two of those for, not two, I can get one of those for about $350. So I'm gonna be about $700 and a set of new heads that hopefully won't crack. So I think I'm just gonna do that. But today I'm going to working on the interior of this thing. Done got the seats out because I forgot to record a intro, so I can't show you in there. But yeah, so the plan is today is to rip out the seats, which I've already done, vacuum all the junk, and I forgot what I was going to say. Use a carpet cleaner in there because it's nasty and it smells bad. Also might try to clean up those cool floor mats I got. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do something. I don't know. Also, quick little tip. Use, turns out they make flavored trash bags that smell like mint. So this engine bay smells like mint. That's pretty cool. I bet your Bronco too doesn't smell like mint in the engine bay. I can be 100% honest when I say I've never seen a seat rust to a carpet before. Damn. I think I'm just gonna leave these in here because I could just vacuum under that, and also I'm too lazy to figure out where the bolts are, so those are staying. So this is how far I've got. Like I said, I'm gonna probably leave those, but yeah, I got candy bar wrappers. What's that? What are those, Fifth Avenues? I don't know what they're called. I haven't seen one of those in a while. Got a rat's nest in here. That's pretty normal for Fords. Ooh, screw. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. Seatbelt things are obviously not connected. You don't. That's fine. I got one blue seatbelt. That's pretty custom. That'll go good with my blue floor mats. Here's the rust from the mount for the MR2 seat that was in here. That is going to be. I'm looking so much forward to getting that out of the carpet. Once I got all my... Ooh, that sounds crunchy. Okay, we're not looking at that ever again. Yeah, I'm probably going to get the vacuum in here and try to address what's going on there. I don't know what I'm going to do. That's... ooh! We're making money back. What is that? penny a dime, so that's 12 cents. That's 17 cents. I'd say these cleaned up pretty good. That one not so much. I'd say that was on the driver's side. It's got more grime and stuff on it. But get these looking decent. Just use bleach white. Walmart has it. They're not. It's not expensive. But just spray it on there. And what is it? Use one of these bad boys. It makes it a lot easier. It's just one of them spinny things on a drill. And it doesn't eat it up, but it gets it clean. I got these for $8, like I said, and I am that. Look at the motorsports. That's sick looking, is it not? I don't know. It's gonna look great in a red interior. That's pretty cool looking. Okay, well, I got the carpet cleaned. I still need to vacuum underneath that seat because I kind of forgot to, but I'm not gonna record that or anything. Overall, I think this turned out pretty good. This was like the worst spot. I thought the carpet was just wore down right here, but it was so matted and dirty. It just looked like that. That came out pretty good, I think. I'm gonna let this sit overnight with the fan going. That way it might be dry tomorrow, and if it is, I'm gonna try to get this interior back together. I mean, it's attached. I mean, it looks bad, but I want to like bend up the edges a little bit, make them shorter, go with the curve of the dash, you know, and then throw it in there. I think that looks pretty cool. To stick it, I'm just gonna get some Velcro, but like just the hard part of the Velcro, or like latch in here. I'm just gonna stick it to that. It came out a lot better than I thought it would. So I just got like a cool dash pad for $5. Here's it from this side. I like the green. I didn't think I was gonna like how much green shows, but I do like that. I wish I did a better job sewing that, but you know what? I don't care. And then like the little tassels come over the glove box, and it's fancy looking. Okay, so I do believe this is going to be the end of this video. Didn't get as much done, but I got carpet done. It smells like Downy in here. That's pretty neat. I realized I didn't explain at all what this was. So I got that at like a Christmas festival type thing in like an old cabin in the middle of nowhere. I don't know. Anyways, it's an old table runner, and I got it for $5. And what I ended up doing is cutting it in half, sewing it right there where the seam is, and just putting it on my dash as like a dash pad. I think it ended up looking pretty cool. I think this turned out pretty neat. I was considering getting rid of that gray seat entirely and putting the passenger seat there, but the guy ended up messing up the driver's side bracket so much that I can't even use it. So, not sure what I'm gonna do on seats. So that's why I'm kind of in this video here. And it rained for like 4 days straight, which means this fan was running nonstop, and it was just so humid this thing didn't dry at all. Basically, it's somewhat dry. Actually, it's completely dry now. But yeah, that set me back about a week. Also, I want to see something pretty cool for next video on this Bronco. It came in. Got these from King Cylinder Heads. They're about $3.50 each. They're fully assembled. Hopefully, I'll be able to just slap them on there and put it back together. But I'm gonna end this video with not a time lapse, but like a before and after of this carpet, because I think that would be pretty cool to see how ugly it was before, because it was ugly. But yeah, thanks for watching.